They're off. Early lead is taken by Vermont and Double O. And as they lead the straight, Madera on the outside, and Chairman, and Formidable Ella moving up in between horses. Heading for the backstretch, Vermont in the lead, followed by Madera now moving up on the outside. Formidable Ella, Elgin and Chairman, Dr. Choice. Entry number 4, that's Arsenal, Far Beyond, and Double O. And into the backstretch, Formidable Ella, and by the rail is Madera, Dr. Choice on the farther outside, Vermont, and Arsenal, Far Beyond moving up, and Elgin and Chairman. But it's still Madera in the lead, followed by Dr. Choice in second, and Far Beyond moving up on the farther outside. And nearing the far turn, Dr. Choice in the lead, followed by Far Beyond, and Madera by the rail, Arsenal. Rounding the far turn, Dr. Choice, Far Beyond moving up on the outside, and Arsenal by the rail in third, Madera, Elgin and Chairman, and 5 o'clock. It's now Far Beyond in the lead, entry number 1, followed by Dr. Choice, and Madera moving up on the inside, and Arsenal in between horses. At the top of the stretch, Far Beyond on the outside, and Dr. Choice, Madera moving up on the inside. It's Far Beyond on the outside, and Madera by the rail. Far Beyond on the outside, Madera, and Far Beyond on the outside, Madera by the rail, Far Beyond, and Madera fighting it out for the lead. Far Beyond on the outside, Madera by the rail, and hitting the payoff line, it's still Far Beyond, and finally it's Far Beyond, Madera, and a close finish between 5 o'clock and Arsenal.